How to use DoorDash gift card. In order to use DoorDash gift card, redeem the 16-digit code in the app or website by account, gift card, or redeem. What you want to do is simply open up a DoorDash app and go to the Me section from the top right corner of the screen. There it is. After which, you just want to make sure to go ahead and press open the settings icon over here. When you go to the settings section, you will then be able to see a wallet or payment method. There it is. Here you will be able to find this DoorDash, something like this, redeem a gift card. You press open that up. You could either manually type in the PIN or the number, or you could also scan the gift card using your phone's camera or a device's camera as well. And that's when you're going to successfully add DoorDash gift card. Now, if you want to use or redeem it, you could use it while purchasing an item. So that's how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.